Hi, I'm in the New York City bus station. Somebody just set off the fire alarm. The alarms are going off all over the building. I'm going to take a look at them. This is an old system. This is like this bus station was built in 1950, and it had renovations in 1963 and 1979. And the alarm system, I believe, it was put in at one of those times. I believe it's a Faraday system. It said that some of the alarms say Cerebus on them, and I believe Faraday was bought by Siemens. So I'm not sure exactly what the mark is on these, what the brand is on these fire alarms. Faraday, Siemens, one of those. Some of the alarm boxes say Cerebus on them though. Anyway, I'm going to walk around and look at the different fire alarms. I think these alarms are really cool. I like the way they look. I like the way they sound. It's pretty cool. Very cool. Every now and then the alarm goes off in this building. This is a really big building too. They got a lot of buses come in and out of here. Very cool building, very cool alarms, very cool building. I'm just going to walk around and look at all the different alarms. Very cool. Here's one over here. Let's look at this one. Like I said, some of the alarm boxes say Cerberus on them. I believe they're Faradays, maybe Faraday Siemens. I'm going to go outside now. Looks like the fire department is coming. Here comes a fire truck. Awesome. There we go. Oh. Awesome. Got two of them. Thanks for watching. Bye.